Hello, what brings you here?
Um, Nothing much.
So, you doing anything tomorrow?
Well, why do you want to know?
Just asking. I'm a very friendly. You know what? Just tell me.
I don't know you all that well. I don't think I should tell you.
But I promise I'm not plotting anything.
Well, now I'm very suspicious of you.
Well, maybe we could just be friends.
Well, we need to have known each other for some period of time, I believe.
Look, we can bond over this fight. So, hi.
Well, hi.
Um, wow. Well then. Take that. So I heard that,
Bird, I guess we can't use this one now.
yeah, that random phone call.
Yeah.
Or did it just go straight to voicemail?
Both.
Ow. Ow. That's pretty painful. How do you like that kick? Nope. My kick is better than your Dio Brando.
Oh no. Oh. It's funny. I feel like I'm playing slightly better now that I'm not trying to think of dumb shit to say.
Yeah, I think both of us are playing a little better.
I guess that's a lost episode.